The world is watching.
אזרחי ישראל, אנחנו במלחמה. לא במבצע, לא בסבבים, במלחמה. הבוקר חמאס פתח במתקפת פתע רצחני נגד מדינת ישראל ונגד אזרחיה.
You know, the world's seen appalling images. Thousands of rockets in the space of hours raining down on Israeli cities. We got up this crossing in Israel, killing not only Israeli soldiers, but Israeli civilians. In the street, in their homes. Innocent people murdered, wounded, entire families taken hostage by Hamas. Just days after Israel marked the holiest of days in the Jewish calendar. The United States stands with the people of Israel in the face of these terrorist assaults. Israel has the right to defend itself and its people. Full stop.